Adding a second fingerprint to your Android phone is a simple way to make unlocking your device quicker and more convenient. Whether you want to register your other thumb index finger or another trusted fingerprint, Android lets you save multiple fingerprints without affecting your existing one. The exact menu names may vary slightly depending on your phone brand, but the process is nearly the same on most Android devices. Begin by opening the Settings menu page. You can access it by tapping the gear icon from the Quick Settings panel or by selecting Settings from your app drawer. Scroll through the menu until you find Security and Privacy, Biometrics and Security, or Lock Screen and AOD. Tap the option that contains your phone's security settings, then open Fingerprints or Fingerprint Unlock. For security reasons, your phone will ask you to verify your identity before making any changes. Enter your current PIN, password, or pattern to continue. Once you're inside the fingerprint menu, tap Add Fingerprint or the plus Add button. Place the finger you want to register on the fingerprint sensor. Each time the phone vibrates or prompts you, lift your finger and place it back on the sensor from a slightly different angle. This allows the device to capture every part of your fingerprint, including the center, sides, and edges, improving recognition speed and accuracy. Keep scanning until the progress indicator reaches 100%. On some Android phones, you'll also be asked to scan the tip and outer edges of your finger for even better performance. After the scan is complete, tap Done to save the new fingerprint. If you like, you can rename the fingerprint, for example, is right thumb or left index, to make it easier to identify later. You can also repeat these steps to add more fingerprints if your device supports it. Your new fingerprint is now ready to use. Simply lock your phone and test it by placing the newly registered finger on the sensor. It should unlock instantly. That's all there is to it. Your Android phone is now even easier to unlock while keeping your personal data secure.